Hello, I'm working on a chair today. Actually, two chairs, exact same chair. They look exactly the same. So I'm going to do a couple things. It's my first time working on a chair, so bear with me. We'll see what happens. I'm excited about this because it's a little bit different, and I hope it turns out great. All right, let's do it. Thanks for watching. This is it. And actually, I have two of these. Came as a set. And what we're going to do is I'm going to pull the skirt off. You can see it down here. Pull this skirt off. Then I'm going to put new legs on it. Raise it up about 2 inches. It's fairly low, but it is in very, very good condition. Whoever had this before took very good care of it. I'm also going to clean it, obviously, vacuum it out, clean it up, and then we'll post it on Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is just vacuum out the bottom. It had some spider webs and some dog hair. So I just want to make it as clean as possible. Then I'm going to remove the legs. I'm going to start with the back ones since they're the easiest, just a couple of screws. The front ones were pressed into like a metal sleeve, so they just had to have some force to be pried out. But once you put a little force on them, they came right out. I could not get the interior sleeves out, so the best way I found was just to drill it out. And that's hot. Almost burnt my finger. Use needle nose pliers to grab it from now on. So then, yeah, after I pulled those out, just continue drilling down until I hit the right depth for the new leg sleeve. And I decided to take the bottom fabric off just in the corner so I could expose the wood underneath to make sure that the alignment and the position for the new sleeve for the new leg would be centered. So I'm going to place it and then mark it with that screwdriver so that I know exactly where I want to drill it. And then just like the front ones, I'm just going to drill a hole so that the sleeve fits inside of it. And just repeat. Then I'm going to staple the fabric back down with my handy dandy Harbor Freight brad nailer. Now you just push them in and screw them down. And I bought these legs from Amazon, and I believe they were $20 for 4, which I think is a pretty good deal. And they worked perfectly for this. And then the legs just screwed right in. Made them hand tight. And that's the extent of the leg. It was pretty easy. Then I started working on the skirt, and I wanted to be careful because I did not want to damage the underneath fabric. So I'm literally just pulling each staple out by hand and then popping the nails out. Alright guys, I just finished pulling off the skirt. Came off pretty easy. Had a ton of staples and some nails. They all came straight out, so there wasn't any problem with that. I was trying to be very careful because I don't want to rip the underneath fabric, and I didn't have any rips in it at all. There's still a couple, little holes where they were. So I'm going to vacuum it, clean it out, clean it with I think it's just like an upholstery cleaner. I'll show you that now after I flip it over. So now I'm going to go through it, see if I can't find all the gold doubloons, and if there's any cash. Oh well, we found a remote. Looks like a Dish Network remote. I don't have Dish Network. What else? Nope. Back to another remote, and somebody's calling. Darn, no cash today. So this one I'm going to clean the chair with. It's Bissell Little Green, and you just got to fill this up with hot water. Let's turn the water on. Get that hot. Take this cap off. Pull this out. So I'm using this spot and stain with Febreze to make it smell good. And I got to add half a cup of this to the hot water. So let's just fill this to the water line. You can't really see it on camera, it's about right there. And slide it back into there. Like that. Now we're ready to go clean. So I just plugged it in. It's pretty easy to use. It has a trigger that sprays water from here, and then it scrubs the fabric and then sucks up the dirt and water, excess water and dirt from here. You spray it, and then you're supposed to rub it back towards yourself so that this will scrub any loose dirt and then suck it up into here. Let's try it out. And that's it. Here's the before. Still not terrible. It looks pretty good. And the after. Nice. That's it. They're both finished. I feel like it's super comfortable. Let's bring you in here. Overall, the process was really easy. These chairs are probably easier than other chairs. I know because they already had some sort of leg on them, so I literally just had to remove those, drill holes for the new ones, and then attach them. And the skirt could not have been easier to remove. It had, like I said, it had some staples and a couple of nails, but other than that, it was really easy to remove. Then cleaning, so the whole thing came out, I think, really well and fairly easy. So I have them up on Facebook Marketplace right now. They are, I think I've had them up for 2 days. I have them listed at $400. That's, I feel like that's really high, but I wanted to start high just to see what the market was around here for these two chairs. So far it's got almost 100 views and 3 or 4 saves. So we'll see. I'll probably let it run for another 3 or 4 days before I lower the price. And once it does sell, I'll update you guys in whichever video is coming up. I'll update you guys with that one. My next flip I'm deciding on. I have a couple smaller style dresser drawer type things with maybe some cabinets, but I'm thinking I want to do like a small interior bar, like just a small cabinet bar type deal. So I'm thinking about doing that for the next one, so we will see. Thanks for watching, you guys.